Hello, this is my review of Lego Star Wars, the Imperial Star Destroyer 6211. Here's the Emperor's Royal Guards, R2-D5. And here's Mouse Droid. And here's Darth Vader, his whole suit fell off. His whole suit, but his lightsaber broke and his helmet came off. This is what he looks like. Here's a little escape pod. Here's the inside of here. Got he is Imperial Officer Grand Moff Tarkin.